be in action to remove the material. In other processes, it will be multi-point cutting tools. More than one point will be involved in removing the metal. That is called the tool which you are going to use in the lathe operation will be a single point cutting tool. In case of other machineries like grinding operation, milling operation, we are going to use the multi-point cutting tool. Okay, and here the milling will be, just try to look at. Here, please do not hesitate. If you need figures, if you cannot be able to simplify it or write, I can be able to show you. Here, okay, and here there are two types of milling machines. I am not talking about the CNC machines. Computer numerical control machines themselves will be different from the conventional methods. And here, the milling machines are of two types. One is a vertical milling machine and horizontal milling machine. How to identify it is a vertical milling machine or horizontal milling machine? You can see here, the spindle is vertical. The spindle is vertical, it will be vertical milling machine. The spindle is horizontal, it will be called as horizontal milling machine. In horizontal milling machine, the tool will be fixed like this, the ring extrude. And in a vertical milling machine, it will be fixed like this. Okay, and is it vertical or horizontal? It's horizontal because the arbor or a arm, it is there no spindle, that will be horizontal. That will be horizontal. Whatever it is, please try to look at this. Only one try to make a practice writing. That's all. How much time I have taken? Even not 1 minute also. Okay, it can take maximum 2 minutes time. And this is called, please look here, this is called arbor. And this is called spindle. And this is called vertical arc. And this is called working table. And this is called cross slides. And this is called, this we are talking about the milling, it is a milling tool. Milling tool. That's all. Milling. Okay, you can able to remember how to write a sketch. So, with a simple sketch, explain the important parts of the milling machine. It is selective, it is left to you whether you want to go for the vertical milling machine or horizontal milling machine. Since there is a horizontal milling machine at our workshop, related comparison also you can able to do. It is horizontal milling machine. In horizontal milling machine, the arbor or a spindle, the spindle will be one which will be supporting the arbor. Okay, the spindle that will be a half structure, and by means of a belt drive from the motor we take the source up above. That is called as a spindle. Okay, in the spindle the arbor is inside. Okay, now if the spindle is horizontal, it will be called as horizontal milling machine. The spindle is vertical, it is called vertical milling machine. Okay, and here the tool which we are going to use for to remove the material is called as the milling tool. Milling tool is a multi-point cutting tool. And now, what are the operations we can do? Actually, here in case of lathe, we do only the cylindrical objects. The cylindrical surface can be finished, but here a plain surface can be finished. I have given a very big slab of metal. I want to finish the surface of this slab, or I want to finish the end of the slab. I want to make a step down. Okay, for example, I want to make like this. But you can see this. See here, this is one workpiece I did. So here what you can do, you can finish this by using the milling machine. Okay, any stage apart from the cylindrical, those can be finished with the. And what we have in the milling machine, we have a table. A table, there is a class slide will be there. On the table, we are going to fix the workpiece from there. And the arbor is moved along. Now here, the arbor and the arm will be totally constant. Only the table will be moved, workpiece will be moved. Okay? The milling cutter will be rotating, but it will be stationary. It's like the whole spindle will be stationary. The table will be moved left and right. Okay? So the requirement, the worker will be moving front and back so that the workpiece can be finished. Okay? And this is called elevator screw. This elevator screw will be used for the vertical movement of this table. And this cross line will be used for the front and back. The observer is here. And this cross line will be used for the left and right. So X, Y, and Z movements can be achieved by using the knee screw or elevator screw and the tables. Okay. Apart from in this, how much you will be able to remember? Please try to remember and write. And if you write this much, I think there will not be any other way to cut down the marks in the examination. It will be more than the requirement. All these I have shown. And vertical milling machine, it is an optional. If you want, you can keep. Okay. Vertical milling machine. Here you can see this. The arbor will be vertical. The arbor will be vertical. And remaining all will be same. The knee, everything will be same. And you can see that in some of the machineries, the horizontal machine can be converted to vertical machine. The whole spindle will be rotated and it will be fixed on the cross sides. The earlier the England made machines were there. Then you can convert this into vertical machine also. What happens here? It will be like this. Okay, it will be like this. You can see that. Correct? It's a milling machine, and this arbor will be vertical, and the workpiece will be kept on this. Okay, this can be moved front and back, and here we have cross lines. This can be moved left and right. Here the cross lines should be there. This can be moved front and back. Like this we can. Okay, arbor will be continuously rotating, and we are going to slide the workpiece so that the metal will be removed. And how we can write this? Very simple way we can write like this. This much is enough, and we can write the knee here, and this is elevator screw. This is for foundation, and this is arbor. This is for cutting tool, and this is a table. Cutting tool. That is called milling machine, and this is a spindle, and there will be a power drives in this. And this is called knee arbors. That's it. Okay, instead of keeping horizontal, it will be kept vertical. Okay, just try to look into this. Now, here I have given it is not required. The milling machine the up milling and down milling is not required. What are the operations we can do on the milling machine? We'll try to look into them. We can able to finish the space. We can able to finish the given slab to the required dimensions. It is not a circular form. It will be end milling. Okay. So I suppose, for example, a slab is given to me. I have to finish these ends, finish the top and bottom. This can be done by using the milling machine. By using the cutter called multi-point cutting tool. It's called as milling cutter. Milling cutter will be having so many active points. Okay. Those points, while they are rotating, they will be removing the material. Okay. Just to the your interest, up milling and down milling I have given. Okay, and the work is moved like this. The arbor is rotated like this. That is the down milling, and the work is rotating like this. Arbor is going like this. It will be up milling. Practically, I can able to show you if you come to the workshop. Slab milling. A slab, a whole slab, the surface can be finished. You can see this. This is a workpiece. That is a slab milling machine. Okay, slab milling tool, and it will be removing the surface. The surface can be removed. Okay, we are going to finish the surface by using the slab milling operation. Any doubts you can ask. End milling is the end should be finished. For example, I want to make a grooves in the surface. Please be careful. I want to create a groove here, or I want to create a groove here. Okay, I want to create a groove here. To create the groove, the workpiece, the tool will be moved into this, so that the groove cut will be done. Just like some slots and all, if you want to do, this is also by means of a groove cutting. Groove cutting. Okay, for example, if it is a metallic, I want to remove this material, a groove cutting will be made by using the groove cutting tool. It will be slightly longer in size and then it will be lesser, and it will be removed the material. That will be called as end milling operation. Slot milling, slots. These slots you can find in the tables, working table. So whenever you are going to fix the workpiece onto the table of a machine, these slots are very, very important. I can show you practically here. So these slots are U slots and L slots. Different slots will be made in the workpiece by using the slotting tools. Okay, by using the slotting tool, we can make them. And angular milling, it is also end milling operation. Only the angular tool will be used. The angular cutting tool will be used to create the angular grooves will be made. I think